This kid once cleaned restaurant tables. Today, he owns a $4 trillion company. Jensen Huang was born in Taiwan. At just 9 years old, he moved to the United States. His uncle thought he was sending him to a fancy boarding school, but by mistake, he was sent to a reform school where kids were punished by cleaning toilets and floors. So at 9 years old, Jensen's daily job was literally scrubbing bathrooms. In high school, he worked at a Denny's restaurant, wiping tables and serving food. After studying engineering, he got into chip design. Then, in 1993, sitting inside a Denny's booth with two friends, he started a company with just $600. That company was NVIDIA. Their first product failed. The company was almost bankrupt. Jensen had to fire half the team. They made one last chip. When it launched, NVIDIA had only 30 days of cash left. If it failed, the company was dead. But it didn't. The chip became a hit. From that day on, Jensen created one rule: always work like the company will die in 30 days. Years later, he made the biggest bet of his life, using GPUs not just for gaming, but for artificial intelligence. Everyone laughed. The stock crashed. Investors doubted him. But in 2012, deep learning exploded, and NVIDIA became the engine of AI. Today, NVIDIA is worth $4 trillion. From cleaning toilets to running the most powerful tech company on Earth. That's not luck, that's obsession. If you like stories like this, follow for more.